And I am going to discuss one important topic, that is drug review. So today's drug is Neopeptine, that is mainly used in pediatric department. Before that, I want to clear what is mean by drug review. So drug review. Drug is any chemical compound or chemical substances that is mainly used for treatment, prevention and diagnosis of the disease and disorder. So today's drug is neopeptine, that is mainly used in pediatric department. If we see the dose for adult and children above 1 year, 5 ml teaspoonful twice daily or as directed by the physician, and to be mixed with a little water and taken after each meal. And if we see that indication means to what purpose this medication is used or this drug is used. And indication: flatulent, fermentative, dyspepsia, anorexia, indigestion, heartburn, poor digestion, post meal abdomen distension. That purpose we can use neopeptine in pediatric department. And if you see that dosage form, that is the liquid dosage form, 100 ml liquid dosage form, palatable preparation for digestive enzyme. See, that is a neopeptine. And if you see that contain, so digestive liquid containing this neopeptine contain alpha amylase and papain. So there is two main ingredient, that is alpha amylase and papain. So what is mean by alpha amylase? So alpha amylase that is the hydrolyzed molecule. So if we see the main function of alpha amylase, that is mainly used to hydrolyze the glycosidic bond in starch. The starch is containing glycosidic bond is there in starch. The alpha amylase is used to break down that bond and converting complex carbohydrate to simple sugar. In the presence of alpha amylase. The alpha amylase main function is to convert complex carbohydrate to simple sugar. There is three main class of alpha amylase, amylase enzyme is there, that is alpha amylase enzyme, beta amylase enzyme and gamma amylase enzyme. And next thing, that is papain. So papain means that is papain is a proteolytic enzyme extracted from raw fruit of papaya plant. This is a proteolytic enzyme. This papain is a proteolytic enzyme. This enzyme helps to break down protein into a smaller particle, in a smaller fragment, and it also means it break down protein into a smaller protein fragment called peptide and amino acid. Papain is a popular folk remedy to reduce pain and inflammation and swelling. This papain is used as a home remedy to reduce pain and inflammation and swelling. And if you see that each 5 ml contain, if you take 5 ml, in that 5 ml you will get alpha amylase IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia, 100 mg alpha amylase, and papain 50 mg papain. If you take 5 ml, in that 5 ml you will get 100 mg alpha amylase and 50 mg papain IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia, and they are using one flavored base, that is quantity sufficient, quanta sufficient, and permitted color. They are using that is coloring agent as a, that is otherwise we can call it is a additive, means other than API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, that is a key role in that neopeptide product. That is a caramel IP, Indian Pharmacopoeia. Appropriate overage added, excess amount of liquid is there in that bottle, and shake well before use. We have to shake the bottle before we have to use, and store in a cool place protected from sunlight. And this product is manufactured by Raptokosh Bread and Co Limited, that is established in Chennai. And this drug is mainly used in the GIT system, means our gastrointestinal system. So if we see that our gastrointestinal system, see there is a gastrointestinal system. So this drug is mainly used in GIT, gastrointestinal system. So one more I am going to repeat, that is neopeptine, that is liquid preparation, liquid dosage form. There is three type of dosage form is there, that is solid, liquid and semi-solid. So this is neopeptine is liquid dosage form, and we have to take 5 ml or as directed by the physician, and we have to mix some amount of water. If we see the indication means what purpose this medication is used. That is number 1, flatulent, fermentative, dyspepsia, anorexia, indigestion, heartburn, poor digestion, post-meal abdominal distension, and that is a palatable digestive enzyme. It contains two things, that is alpha amylase and papain. If you take 5 ml, in that 5 ml you will get alpha amylase IP 100 milligram alpha amylase and papain 50 milligram. And we have to use before use that we have to shake the bottle